For decades, I did not know if Gabby and I were even going to be friends again. It's emotional for me because naturally, he is a part of my life and always will be. And to add to that, our team up is such a beloved team up. Even we don't know why, but we are certainly thankful. And it's so special that we're not just doing the tour, but we've become friends, we've become close, we've become... I didn't think this was going to happen, truthfully. Naiyak na naman ako.
You know, every time we do a show, yung iyak niya dito sa stage, first part lang yan. Yung second part, yan yung stage. Kaya meron akong yung tissue na yan, meron akong tuwalya doon. Meron akong tuwalya doon. Marami kaming good memories, but tonight is our last night. And like I said, it's a bitter-sweet kind of feeling. May iwan namin kayo.
And I need to tell them our secret. That throughout the whole tour, nakikita lang kami on the day of the show. Diba? We have, except in Hawaii, we had dinner once with the teams, but the whole tour, I've seen you a total of maybe 8-9 times. Only in the 8 shows. 9 times, because also, yeah, when we lived in Hawaii.
Nag-worry kasi ako dahil makadevelop ako.
Ako, alam ko. Alam ko. Mangyayari, best joke lang.
Pero really,
because na,
makakalimutan na meron tayong pinagsamahan.
Yeah, but that's why I didn't know kasi, I didn't know if it was gonna work well. Kaya sabi ko, we'll just do the shows. We've taken separate flights, separate cars. Naturally, we stay in separate rooms. Minsan separate hotels pa.
Pero madalas ko naman sinasabi sa'yo na ibenta mo na yung bahay mo. Dahil nandito ako nakatira sa puso ko.
Hindi ko rin ginagawa pa.
Anyway guys,
bahay ko.
we're just all having fun tonight. And
Yes, we are.
We'd like to continue this even as a dream na sana we can do this again next year.
And Gabby, thank you.
And with Casey, that'd be nice.
We would pray that God works out well. There's nothing impossible when you love your own flesh and blood.
Well, you know what? Hindi naman mangyayari.
Let's not talk about that here.
Hindi naman mangyayari lahat ng ito kundi dahil sa ating dalawa.
Yes, that's right.
So this is a song para sa inyo lahat.
From one of our favorite movies.